Good morning from Walt Disney World's Animal Kingdom. We are here today to see the new Zootopia Better Zoogether show that's in the Tree of Life, where It's Tough to Be a Bug show used to be. So that is our priority, but we're also gonna find some snacks and some drinks and maybe ride some rides with the little one. So stick around, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you're new here and you haven't already. Let's get to our Animal Kingdom day. I never realized that Animal Kingdom had this gorgeous tree right after security, but before you actually walk into the park. So definitely check that out and get your picture here. So cute. There are some beautiful decorations up here that I have not seen before with Animal Kingdom. So this is really fun. All right, today is called a good to go day. So depending on what level of annual pass you have, you won't need to make a reservation for a good to go day. When you're making your reservations in the My Disney Experience app, if there is a circle around the calendar date that you're trying to make a reservation for, that's what's indicating a good to go day and you won't need a reservation. So that's kind of nice. So once we got through the entrance to the park, we're heading left to go towards the Tree of Life, and then we'll go to the left side of the Tree of Life for the entrance for Better Zoogether. I'm not sure what the show times are at the moment. I might be able to look those up on the app, but we're just gonna walk by, see what that looks like, and then decide how we want to navigate our day from there. We've got some more Christmas and holiday decorations up, lots of garland and lots of animals. My understanding is that at night they all light up. So that's gotta be really pretty at night. So garland everywhere. There's the Tree of Life. And only last week did this new Zootopia Better Zoogether show open up, where we are taking part in the party of celebrating Zoogether Day with all of the Zootopia animals. So they're luminaries, they're lanterns, and the lights, oh, they're flickering right now, but you'll be able to see them much better at night. How pretty. All right, so I must be crazy. I thought the entrance was on the left, but our little sign here says Zootopia Better Zoogether. Entrance is on the right, so we're gonna follow the signs and see where it leads us. I'm here with my mom and my baby girl and a friend of ours who is a Disney vacation planner. So if y'all are looking to plan a Walt Disney World vacation, I will put her contact info below. Her name is Ingrid Fisher. Okay, so we have Zootopia Better Zoogether. The standby entrance is 25 minutes right now. And the gathering spot looks like where the meet and greet is for the show. So for those of you with strollers and little ones, you can bring the stroller up to the show, but then there will be a stroller parking spot once we get up there. The wait time said 25 minutes, but I feel like we're moving pretty quickly. We are about to enter inside the Tree of Life. Walking through the tunnel to get to the entrance. The queue line is really, really fun. Lots of animals everywhere. I think this is going to be great for keeping kids entertained as you're waiting in line. So it looks like they have some wood plaques telling the story of Zoogether Day, which is really cute. Again, something fun to keep kids entertained while they're waiting in line. Disney's smart like that. I think we're walking into the theater, or at least the entrance to the theater on the inside. I know you need 3D glasses for this, so I'm not going to do a full ride or experience point of view because it will be a challenge to see. But I'll take a few clips. Side note on glasses, Remy's Ratatouille Adventure is now closed for some refurbishment, and they are taking away the 3D aspect and bringing it back to 2D. So, well, be careful, this ground is uneven. Pandora, that's cute. There are so many fun hidden gems in this ride line now. And Heidi Howler is the new addition to this show and to the Zootopia adventure. my knowledge, they haven't changed it much from the other theater, but it's very cute.
It's Zoogether Day, featuring special live performances from across Zootopia. An unforgettable concert finale from superstar Gazelle! With your host, me, Heidi Howler. Happy Zoogether Day! Oh! No, the slot. Me? Whatever. Come on up! And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser!
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down.
Our correspondent, Cashlow! Kozlov!
Predator, prey, nice dancings, balance of nature, Zoogether strong.
Short donuts. Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market.
But every creature, no matter their size, can make a big difference.
Oh, so cute!
You're looking to get iced?
And sir,
What in the wild animal kingdom is going on?
Savings together, Day Chief. Let's hear you sing, Zootopia. For legal reasons, I cannot.
dream a dream. Make a wish upon a whisker as a team. Here we go. Joining up as brothers.
Sister, put your paw in mine.
We're bouncing toward a better day. Yikes.
Tails intertwined, one phrase our hearts up and we say.
Oh, really?
Okay, we've just finished with Better Zoogether Day. It was actually very, very cute. Not that I thought it wouldn't be. Short show, lots of effects. There was a lot of air and water blasting and a little bit of smoke and bubbles. There are all kinds of things. So I would say if you have a child that maybe has some sensory concerns or a little bitty one, bring a blanket or something to cover up their head and their face. But otherwise, it was very cute. You know, it's a little mystery that Judy and Nick solve in a matter of what, like 7 or 8 minutes. So it was very cute. I would definitely go back and see it. I don't know that I would wait in a line for it, which we really didn't. It said it was a posted 25-minute wait, and we probably waited 10 minutes, but the line moved the entire time, so that was nice. But I think there'll be a nice air-conditioned break in the middle of your Animal Kingdom day, should you need it. And then you can go back outside to see the real animals. So, yeah. Now we're just gonna head on over to Pandora and I think grab an ube cold brew and some food. We've got some more holiday Christmas sightings here. This is around the edges of Tusker House and on the way towards the theater for the Lion King show. Very cute African style of holiday garland. We are seated at Satu'Li Canteen. My mom and Ingrid have gone inside to order. I know they're coming back with an ube cold brew for me, and I said, grab me something with protein in it. This is one of our favorite restaurants that has a lot of protein in the menu options, so we'll see what they come back with. And then I think after that, if the Navi River journey isn't too long of a wait, we might do that because I can take this little one with me. And then we'll probably head out, keep it short and sweet. It's a rather busy Thursday, which is unusual for this time of year. Okay, we have our extravaganza here. It looks like we're trying a little bit of everything. So we have the ube cold brew right here. Looks like we have a steak and chicken combo with sweet potato and hash. And then a noodle tuna poke bowl. And a cheeseburger pod, as well as the dessert. This one's really good. I have had it before. And is that the matcha cold brew? Very good. Heather has been dying to try that one.
Right. All right.
So we are going to dive in, but everything here looks fantastic. You really get your money's worth at Satu'Li Canteen. All right, I've had their shaved beef before in a different dish, but I haven't had their chicken in a bowl before. So there's that. It's flavorful, it's moist, it's not salty, which I like. And you can just add your own salt to it. Were they making the grilling the chicken while we're walking through. Sometimes they do that.
It smelled really good. Yeah.
It smells good. Yeah. Sometimes you can watch them grilling the chicken so you know it is made fresh here. I love that. And then the sweet potato hash. It's got some peppers in there. A little bit of coleslaw on top with some boba popping pearls, which is fun. I love the acidity and the freshness that coleslaw adds to the dish. It's very, very nice. So, huge portion of protein with this. You can't go wrong with it. You can't go wrong with anything here. And we have the 3 sauces. Do you know which 3, what they are?
No, but let me see if I can look them up.
I can put them up on the screen, but and I know we've had them before and they're all very good. And the sauces are for the steak and the chicken, or I know we've gotten them with the salad before. I'll put it up on the screen here. How is the salad? It's a tuna salad?
The Blue Moon.
The Blue Moon.
Yeah, raw tuna. It's delicious. It has edamame. It has daikon radishes, which are really pretty.
They are pretty.
It has avocado. It has pickled red cabbage. It has cucumbers. It has pickled something else that's yellow over here. And it has blue noodles, which are really cool.
Blue noodles are fun. Ingrid, what do you think?
I love it.
So
Delicious.
good.
The Blue Moon.
Look at the Christmas decorations on the, I know there's a word for this, don't hate me, I don't know it, but for this guy from Pandora, right outside of Pongu Pongu, very cute. All right, now where did they go? Okay, so we just finished up our lunch at the Satu'Li Canteen and we are headed out of the park. It is more crowded than we would like it to be today, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm Danny with Healthy Disney, and thanks so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I think our friend Ingrid here is going to do an interview with me soon and share about her stay in Coronado Springs and give you guys some insider information on some club level food and beverages so that you can decide if that's going to be a better fit for your family or not, and kind of factor in some of the money and figure out what's a better value. So make sure you're subscribed so you can stay tuned for future videos, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.